In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement using Zoho Books effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, knowing how to seamlessly integrate your bank statements into Zoho Books can help streamline your accounting tasks and keep everything up to date. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the banking module. You'll find this in the left-hand menu of your Zoho Books dashboard. This module serves as your main hub for all bank-related activities, keeping your financial data organized and easily accessible. Once in the banking module, look for the specific bank or credit card account where you'd like to import the statement. Selecting the correct account is essential as it ensures that your statement is integrated into your records accurately. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the Import Statement button. Click on it. This inviting button opens the gateway to seamlessly uploading your financial data into Zoho. Next, it's time to bring in your statement from your computer. Simply click the Choose File option, where you can browse through your files and select your desired statement. Zoho Books supports a range of formats including CSV, TSV, OFX, KIF, and CAMT053, making it flexible and easy to work with different file types. Once your statement is imported, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the Documents module, situated at the top right corner of the Zoho Books dashboard. This module serves as a repository for all your records. Click on it to access a variety of options. Under the Inbox section, you will find Bank Statements. Click on this to proceed further. Within the Bank Statements tab, you'll want to click Add to Bank. This step helps you associate the statement you're uploading with the correct financial institution, playing a critical role in maintaining the integrity of your accounting records. After clicking Add to Bank, locate the file you wish to upload from your computer again and select it. If your statement happens to be a PDF and is password protected, there's no need to worry. Simply check the corresponding box that indicates the file is password protected and enter the required password. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring your financial data remains secure, yet still easily accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your bank statement into Zoho Books, making your financial management a little more streamlined. With these steps, you can ensure your books are always up to date, helping to provide a clearer view of your business's financial health. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.